gate!
Hello! Welcome to the zoo!
Oh, let's go in. Wow, this zoo is very big. Look at all the animals. It's amazing. Come on. Wow. The lion is so big. Oh no. Don't cry, Bill. I can help you.
Anna, watch out!
Anna!
We want 4 tickets, please. 2 adults and 2 children. Adult tickets are $5 each. How old are the children?
Anna is 10 years old. Bill is 6 years old.
Great! Children under 10 years old are free.
Thank you very much.
Your family only needs to buy 3 tickets. Let's go.
Be careful!
I will be very careful. Huh? Where are they? Anna!
Bill! Where are you?
Bill! Anna!
Anna! Anna!
Anna! Run back! I will be very careful.
Anna!
It is very dangerous! Anna!
I got the teddy bear for Bill.
Anna, you must not do that. It is very dangerous.
Anna, my parents are very scared and worried about you. I am sorry, Mom and Dad. I will not do that again.
I am sorry. It is my fault. I dropped the teddy bear.
It's okay, son.
I am so happy you are safe. Let's see the animals together.
What a
Ah! La, la, la. This is an elephant.
It is very big.
The elephant has a long nose. The giraffe has a long neck. Oh, it sure does, sweetie.
This is a zebra. It is black and white.
Wow.
Look at his stripes.
I like the zebra.
Oh, it's a wonderful one, isn't it?
Yeah.
The monkeys are funny. The monkeys are funny.
Why? This is a bear. This is a bear. It is very strong. The bear is big.
These are birds. They can fly.
The birds are beautiful. The birds are beautiful.
This is a crocodile. It is dangerous.
This is a deer.
The deer is nice.
This is a tiger. It is very strong.
The tiger is big.
This is a kangaroo. It can jump.
I like the kangaroo.
This is a rabbit. It is small.
The rabbit is cute. This is a hippo. It is big. The hippo is in the water.
This is a sheep. It is soft.
The sheep is soft. Smile, please.
Smiles make them all. This is a happy day.